All right, AxiomForge operatives. Today, we're dissecting the very backbone of the web, the HTTP request. In under 3 minutes, we're tearing into its anatomy, understanding every byte that travels from your client to a server. This isn't just theory. It's fundamental for exploiting web vulnerabilities, optimizing performance, and truly mastering the network stack. Ready? Let's dive in. Every HTTP request begins with the request line. This trifecta tells the server exactly what you want and how you're asking for it. First, the method, like GET for fetching data or POST for submitting it. Second, the URI, or Uniform Resource Identifier, pointing to the specific resource. And third, the HTTP version, typically HTTP 1.1 or HTTP 2. Observe a basic GET request. Next up, request headers. These are key value pairs providing metadata about the request, the client, and the desired response. Crucial ones include host, specifying the server domain, user agent, identifying the client software, accept, indicating preferred media types, and cookie, sending session state. Headers control caching, authentication, content negotiation, and more. Let's inspect a browser's request through a proxy. Finally, for requests like POST or PUT, we often have a request body. This is where data is sent to the server. Form submissions, JSON payloads, file uploads. The content type header tells the server how to interpret this body. Common types being application/xwww form underlined encoded for form data or application/JSON for JSON. Watch this POST request in action. There you have it. The HTTP request dissected. The request line, headers, and optional body. Understanding these components is non-negotiable for anyone serious about web security or network engineering. Now you know precisely what your browser or your next exploit is sending. If this deep dive into HTTP requests cleared up your understanding, make sure to subscribe for more rapid-fire technical breakdowns.